All right, you're on.
I'm on. Y'all, Shelton has taught me how to, it's not even parasailing, it's sailing. Sail. Like literally, y'all, I'm out here. This big old ocean. And he has given way. We're going to catch the wind. I'm not catching it.
Point it more to land.
Point it more to land. Okay, y'all see. There we go. Oh, here we go. Catching the wind.
Yeah, you'll feel it, and then you just straighten it out and let it go. Straighten.
There it is.
Keep it straight. Now we can push away and make another turn and head back out for a little bit.
Okay.
No, that's
Push
pulling.
away. Push away.
All the way away, nice and smooth. Switch over and just hold your rudder just like that.
There is a life vest right there.
It's actually keeping a rope afloat.
Oh, is it? Okay.
No, keep it to you
Until I catch the wind?
Yeah, until it starts going. Then you straighten it up. All right, straighten it out. Good job.
Don't think I don't know. Shelton said, have I done this before?
Yeah, she looks like a pro,
Yes!
a natural.
This is so much fun.